Fine, I'll take the challenge. Yay! And after playing how to Doge. What? You guys wanted me to play it? What? It might be fun, I don't know. By the looks of the map, I don't think it will be fun. Oh, there's a bacon here. Oh, there's Doge. Why did Doge run into a wall? I don't know, maybe Doge hates himself. I don't know. What? Oh, oh my god. Oh, there's a baby Doge in here. A cute little guy. Doge. Oh god, Doge almost caught me. Oh my god, he almost did. Hi, baby Doge. Don't kill me, okay? He's a big version of himself. Wow. Gotta get the green key. No, 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 no. Get away. What the heck? Oh, there's baby Doge. Oh, baby Doge. That actually sounds cute. I think I'm gonna do it. Go, 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 go! Come on. Come on. Oh, God. Yeah, we did it. Congratulations, player. You escaped Doge. Yes, we did it. In only 2 minutes. Because it's a total speed run. You want to do it again? Yeah. Okay, time for me to play it. Go, Goose, go. I beat it under 2 minutes. I want to see how long it'll take you. Let's go. Let's skip that. Oh, you're smart. Hey, Doge. Wow. Wow. Yeah, wow. There's a bunch of girls in here. What are the cookies, hot chicks? Just kidding. Excuse you, what? You heard me, sir. Why'd you say that? I don't know. Why did I? Really? I wonder what's in that door. Should I just get all the things and but not escape though? Unlock every single character? Yeah, I think you should. Okay, baby. Doge. Oh, that's baby Doge. Yeah, no dip. Sherlock! Oh, God! I'm not escaping, though. Not yet. I'm not escaping until I get all of them out. Oh. So you're accepting challenge, aren't you? Yeah. Well, we already know what the big one is. What's this one? Oh, it's Sonic. Oh, no. Bun, yes. I don't know, who Creeper might be then. Run? No. Okay, I don't know. You do too, you liar. Please have all the homies this time. I don't get that. What do you mean by you got all the homies? I don't know. We already know the big Doge is over there. So it'd be kind of boring. Sonic, stop it. Ooh! Ooh! Guard! Guard, 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 guard! Oh, you nearly dodged, Sonic! He almost got you. Yeah, no dip. And what we got? Another one of those newbies. Nope, I'm escaping. Ooh, Doge almost caught you there. Yeah, right there, there's Doge. Okay, Corky, your turn. I bet I am ready. Let's see if I can beat your records. On getting it, especially Goose. Let's see if I can get every single one out. That's exactly what I did, Corky. Copycat, just kidding. Yeah, but you didn't get them all out, though. How did Big Doge try to get out? It's probably through that top thingy. No time for playing games, Doge. What are you doing there? He's like, hello. Like, hello, may I steal your quarters? Yeah, we're bursting in the halls. I heard that. Let's come on to the characters. It won't be that much of a surprise if that's true. Doge, I saw that. Oh, jeez, he's good at this. Go, Corky, go! That one's still there. Yeah, no, I see that. Why do they camp around that? I don't know. Oh, Sonic! Stop saying wow. He be like, no, I don't want to. That's so classic.
Oh my god, am I killing people?
Go get the key, you can do it. Oh, that's small Doge again. I just call him Baby Doge, I guess. Same. Baby Doge. I think that's a good name for it. There you go. Don't kill the babies. Just kidding. Yeah, don't abort the babies. Ah, I already used all the items. Yeah, I know, right? I think Paris should try to see how fast everyone can do it. See how fast Paris can do it. Oh, you just want me to speedrun it, do you? I want to see how fast you can do it. Most likely under 4 minutes.
Oh my god, am I killing people right now? Oh my god, am I killing people right now?
It's like, oh my god, Baby Doge, no. No.
Oh my god, am I killing people?
Doge, go away. Go away, Baby Doge.
Oh my god, am I killing people right now?
Oh my god.
Yeah, that's how hard it is, you know? And baby Doge killed you. Again.
Don't like baby Doge. No!
Oh no, the big guns is here now.
There's bodies on me.
Just be happy you escaped it.
I guess you could say that. Yo, Sonic.
Oh my god, am I killing people?
Ew, Sonic.
Sonic. Yeah.
Go, you can get the last one.
That's the last one. Sonic, how dare you!
Too classical NPC, but moving like a pig.
Oh my god, am I killing people right now?
Ben.
Right now?
There we go, you got it. Okay, Paris, let's see how fast you can do it. Okay, Paris, let's see how fast you can do it.
I bet I could do it faster than you guys can.
Yeah, right.
Do you really think I'm joking right now?
Wow, you're going fast.
Told you. I told you so. Oh, he might actually beat us pretty well.
I can tell you did.
I can just reset my character and then go get the hammer and then I can smash through the boards and then I'll beat it. Imagine. Why'd you jump on the table for? So then the NPC doesn't notice me. Ooh, smart! Get the hammer! You got it! Told you I was good at this game. Boom. Faster than you guys.
I don't know. You did at least beat it in only 2 tries. Like, basically only once.